Hey guys, NCWQ here. I hope y'all are doing well. I have y'all looking at NOAA, and as of this morning, was a hurricane, and it came ashore with 70 to 90 mile an hour wind gusts. And what I can tell you is one person so far died in Houston after a tree fell. 2 days ago, Governor Dan Patrick issued a declaration of disaster for 121 counties. Um, Hurricane Beryl carved a path of destruction, heavy winds, and rain all the way to Texas from the Caribbean, from out here. So all the way through this way, took the path this way, came around this way, and back in. This has been a long week watching Hurricane Beryl. Beryl became a Category 1 hurricane before it slammed into Texas, bringing high winds, storm surge, and very heavy rainfall along with the wind. In Texas, high water closed the streets. During landfall, there was a tornado spotted in Beaumont, resulting in roof and window damage. It was a business, from what I understand, and they had to board it up during the eye of the storm. Tornadoes are possible from Texas to Arkansas with this hurricane, even as it weakens. So we're going to look at the path of this hurricane real quick, and we'll look at Wendy for this, and you can see Arkansas is here. So let's watch the path. Right now it is 1:33 my time, so this shows 1:33 this Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So we'll see the path here as it moves up into the United States. So we can see the area Tuesday, it should be entering Arkansas. Wednesday, Tuesday into Wednesday, it will enter into Missouri and all the way up into Indiana and the Great Lakes by Thursday. So we can see that is what it is, will happen. Right now, it is a tropical storm at 1:34, and at 12 p.m. was when the latest announcement came out. It became a tropical storm at 12 p.m. with max sustained winds of 65 miles an hour, and we can see that this is the cone of where this storm plans to go. D is for depression, so it will be a storm all the way through Texas and become a tropical cyclone here, 7 a.m. Tuesday, and this is post potential tropical storm here. So we can see that is the path. We can see the amount of rainfall here is 1 inches here. As we look, that's 1 to 2 inches, the lighter green. 2 to 4 inches is the darker green. 4 to 6 inches is the yellow. And I don't see any 6 to 8 inches so far. That is good. We can see flash flooding potential is here. This is going up through the Dallas-Fort Worth area from Houston upward towards Fort Smith. That is the area that's got a moderate, at least 40% chance of major flooding. And then the green is marginal at 5%. Yellow is slight at 15%. Don't think that you won't be getting any rain. You will. Anyways, that is the update for that. And let's look at earthquakes. So we can see we're going back 12 hours on the earthquakes. Today is the 8th. So we go back 12 hours and we're looking to see that there was a 2.1 in Texas. As we looked, there was a 4.0 of Oaxaca, Mexico. There was a 3.1, 122 kilometers deep in Atacama, Chile. Scroll down, there was a 2.6 southern Alaska. Baja California's had a 3.6 earthquake, 14 kilometers deep. Jujuy, Argentina had a 3.2 and a 3.3. One was 216 kilometers deep and the other was 247 kilometers deep. So those are some deep ones that we need to keep an eye on, as those could cause larger earthquake. As we move up here, we're looking to see if there was any fives. There was a 5.3. Panama, Costa Rica border region. Let's take a look at that on Google Earth. So we'll get this and go insert this onto Google Earth here. And I have not looked at it yet, so you are looking at this along with me. Okay, so this looks like, this is on land here. So this is away from the Cocos Caribbean plate, so it's a good thing. This is closer towards Baru complex volcano. And that's the summit there. And then the volcano is here. See if there's a picture. There's a picture. Haven't done any research on it today, so sorry. But that is falling in between the continental collisional boundary. It's a convergent boundary as well. So Cocos and continental collision boundary. Okay, so let's go look and see what else we got on EMSC here. Have to scroll here and find it again. There's 5.3. I know there was another 5.2. And these earthquakes are still ongoing. There's a 5.3 near the coast of southern Peru, so let's take a peek at this one real quick. And here we go. So that's the continental rift boundary there. That didn't want to pop up. That's the South American Nazca Plate convergent boundary there. Then we have volcanoes over here. The closest one is Carapuna, and it is a stratovolcano. That's the continental convergent boundary there. And that's the continental transform fault there. Okay, back to the earthquakes again. There was a 5.2 Vancouver Island, Canada region. This is where our swarm location is going on. Scientists, geologists have stated that this is normal, so not something to be worrying about. This is actually down further, so let's go up here and look. That's the oceanic spreading rift there. That's a plate boundary here. And that's the Pacific Juan de Fuca. I'm going to do something real quick. So, since I don't have any more big earthquakes to talk about, let's look this one up. Because I want to see all the earthquakes that have gone on from the 4th all the way to the 8th. Send check, search, and we're going to do this differently. Okay, so I'm going to put these into KMO. Oops. Okay, properties, style color, share color, and we can see what our swarm looks like here. That's from the 4th to the 8th. That doesn't take into account any smaller earthquakes that are under 2.0, but all of these so far are within the 4, 5 range, 5.7, 5.0 there. So you can see that's where that 5.0 happened on the 5th. This 5.7 was on the 4th. This 4.3 was on the 4th. And this is where 5.2 is right here. So the 5.2, 5.7, 5.0, I'd say that's an aftershock. Anyways, just my opinions. And as we're keeping an eye on this, I know that there has been a swarm of smaller earthquakes going on over here. Okay, you guys. So anyway, tomorrow I won't be doing any videos. I have set a vet appointment for Penny. Penny is sick. So if anybody wants to help out, that would be great. My PayPal is below the video. As y'all know, I've had her going on close to 5 years now. Um, she, 4 years, sorry, 4 years. She has had heartworms in the past, and she has been coughing lately. And she's been getting a shot every 6 months, but right now I'm really worried about her. She had gotten to where she was 0, so hopefully that isn't what's going on, but she's going to have some testing done tomorrow. And I am really, really nervous, so if you would like to help out, I do have a PayPal below the video. She's my little buddy, and I love her to pieces, and I'm really worried about her. I have done everything I can for her to make sure that she is doing well. I know that she's had heartworms, so she does have heart problems, and I'm just really scared for her right now. She's had all of her shots, and she's had this heartworm shot every 6 months without fail. So I'm really, really concerned. Anyways, you guys, I won't be live tomorrow doing a video tomorrow. That is where I'll be, is at the vet office. Anyways, you guys, I hope y'all are doing well, and if you're in the way of that hurricane, many prayers for you. Anyways, you guys, much love, God bless, and I will try to write something tomorrow, late in the afternoon, if I'm home. Anyways, you guys, much love, God bless, and I will hopefully see y'all the day after tomorrow.